In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on Doordash. Keeping your email up to date is essential for receiving order updates, earnings summaries, and important account alerts. Whether you're a customer or a dasher, the process is quick and secure, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening the Doordash app. If you're a dasher who prefers using a browser, you can also do this on the website. Once you're in, head to the account section. On mobile, you'll typically find account on the main navigation bar. On the website, you'll usually see it in the top corner after you access your account menu. From there, go into your profile. This is where your personal information, including your email address, is stored. Now, tap on your current email. This opens the edit screen so you can make changes. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct profile if you manage more than one account or device, because the change only applies to the account you're currently viewing. Enter your new email address carefully. It's worth pausing to double-check spelling and punctuation, since even a small typo can prevent you from getting messages. When you're confident it's correct, save your changes by tapping the check mark. If you don't see a check mark, look for a save button or a similar confirmation option in the corner of the screen. For security, you'll now complete two-factor authentication. This is an extra verification step designed to protect your account from unauthorized changes. Simply follow the on-screen prompts and enter the code that Doordash sends you. If the code doesn't arrive right away, give it a moment. Check your spam or junk folder, and make sure you have a stable internet or cellular connection. If needed, you can request a new code after the timer allows it. Keep your verification codes private and do not share them with anyone, including support agents. Once the code is accepted, your new email will be saved to your profile. You can confirm the update by returning to the profile screen and checking that the email shown is the one you entered. From here on, important notifications and communications will be sent to that address. And that's it. You've successfully updated your email on Doordash. Keeping this information current helps ensure smooth deliveries, accurate payouts, and timely alerts. If you run into any trouble, reviewing each screen for a save or confirmation prompt usually resolves it, and completing the security check is the key to finalizing the change. Thanks for watching, and you're all set.